think you healthy.
I'm good body.
Oh,
I'm good body.
oh, maybe you.
Maybe.
I'm good body. Yeah.
Good body. How high are you?
자, 여러분들 재밌게 보고 있을 거라 믿습니다. 재밌으면 여러분들 구독 한 번씩만 부탁드릴게요. 点赞收藏谢谢
E cup, G cup, like that. Yeah.
I have enough. I don't need more.
Giới cả.
I'm sexy. I don't need
자신감
more.
장난 아닌데? 난 충분하다. 난 더 이상 필요 없다. 오, confident.
See come.
Only 21.
21. I like Vietnam people. They finish work really early, right? Like 5 p.m. they finish work and go home and have their life. They have dates. They spend time with the family. It looks really good, really happy. They look really happy. In Korea, we finish work at like 1 a.m., 2 a.m. You know?
Wow.
No time no time to see family.
No
And-
time to relax.
No time to relax. So stressful. So many people commit suicide. Many people. Because they're really stressful.
Yeah, I think live in Vietnam very good.
Yeah. Vietnam people, when they finish work, they just have their own life. Meet friends and go out for dinner and hang out with friends.
Drink beer.
Drink beer, date, and spend time with family, their kids. It looks really happy. But in Korea, everyday work, even Sunday. Oh my
She
God.
doesn't like me. He doesn't like me.
야, 그런 말 하지 마.
Why should you please be married with? Even Sunday. Really?
Even Sunday.
Yeah.
Because Korea is 자본주의 사회가 뭐죠? 자본주의 사회가 영어로 뭐지?
You have so good personality.
Yeah, we think so.
Korea is capitalism. We want to make more money. We want to get more rich. Yeah. So we work every day, every night, because we are capitalism.
I have to waiting for my husband is coming.
You are too young to meet husband. You can just meet some boyfriend, okay? Date some guy.
Oh, okay. I will say again. I'm waiting for my boyfriend is coming,
yeah.
not husband.
Yeah. No,
What kind of your boyfriend?
before you get married, you have to meet a lot of guys.
A lot of boyfriend.
Yeah. You have to meet a lot of boyfriend.
Yeah.
Then you know who is good boy, who is bad boy, and who is the boy that fit you. So you have to meet a lot of boys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't hurry to get married. That's not good.
I have 9 years. I have next 9 years.
9 years, yeah. You have next 9 years for date.
Yes.
That's
No
good.
problem.
She's done. You are done.
Yeah.
She's no more chance. You only had date with one man? Only one man?
One man.
One boyfriend?
One boyfriend.
Really?
Really?
Change your boyfriend. Change your boyfriend.
Traditional woman.
트레디셔널 woman이래. 야, 미쳤다. Only one boyfriend. Only 한 명. 대박이다.
Change boyfriend.
한 남자만 바로 본데. 그래, 좋은 거야. 그게 좋은 거지. Good. That's good. That's also good. That's pure. Yeah, that's pure. I like this place. It's okay, it's okay. I keep touching it. 내가 건드려가지고.
Accident.
Accident.
Maybe when you have your hand, this cup is go throw away.
Yeah, maybe. Carefully. Carefully.
Yeah. 멘트를 막 날리라고요? It's okay.
Ở đây nè.
멘트를 어떻게 막 날려요? 이 순수한 애들한테.
Hết dính.
그냥 힘들지. 이 친구들이랑은 진짜 말 그대로 순수한 얘기를 나눠야 돼. 꿈이 뭐냐, 뭐 이런 거 있잖아. What is your dream?
Your dream? You first?
Full house.
Full house. Change the place. So late to change the place.
What?
What? Your dream is what? Have a full house?
Full house.
What is a full house?
Happy house.
Happy house.
You want a family?
7.
Yeah.
7 score. 7 to 8 score. Continue.
방송 진행하는데. You want a happy house.
Happy house.
You want your husband, your kids, with your kids, family, stay in a happy house.
Yeah.
그냥 즐거운 가정을 꾸리는 게 꿈이래.
Housewife.
You wanna be housewife.
Housewife.
그냥 즐거운 가정을 꾸미는 게 꿈이래. That's good.
Yeah.
That's
I
it?
wanna live in countryside.
You wanna live in countryside?
Yeah.
촌에서 살고 싶다, 촌에서. 이런 여자 좋은데. 이런 여자 좋은데, 이런 여자. 찰스님, 뭘 원하십니까?
Visit Vietnam.
찰스님, 뭘 원하십니까?
Welcome to Vietnam.
Good girls everywhere. 7 to 8.
You mean my score? 7 to 8?
Yes.
Why?
Why?
Why? Why? Tell them, why?
I think. And you?
You?
And you? Give her the score.
No.
Why? It's okay. It's okay, just for fun. Just for fun.
fun.
Yeah. It's a joke. It's okay.
Yes, it's joke.
I'm thinking.
More your boyfriend?
No.
No, I cannot more.
Yeah, of course.
Yes.
Yeah. How many scores?
Eating. 8.
8? 7?
7 to 8.
7 to 8.
Yeah.
8? Why? What is good? What is bad?
I think
Tell me what is good.
Oh, good. Happy, friendly, talking.
Talk to
Yes, handsome.
handsome.
Good. No, good body.
I'm good body. I'm good body. No,
She thinks you
Oh.
healthy.
I'm good body.
Oh,
I'm good body.
Oh, maybe you.
I'm good body. Yeah.
Good body. How high are you? How high are you? How tall are you?
180.
180.
Oh yeah, 180.
Oh, really?
Yeah. 180.
Stand up.
180.
It's normal.
180.
Chị đứng lên coi thử. Oh, sorry.
180.
I'm one city.
160. Yeah, yeah. 20 cents. 20 cents.
Okay, okay.
One score.
So, what is bad? What is bad? Bad.
Bad.
Nothing. Nothing.
No. But then why you score only 7, 8? You should give me 10.
Because
Uh-uh.
the 9 and 10 is
For my husband.
no, not for my husband. I never see any boyfriend 9 and 10. I never see.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I never
No
see.
one perfect.
Yeah, no one perfect. Nobody
Oh,
perfect.
no one is perfect. Yeah,
Yes.
I see. But you really think I have no bad
Because-
part?
Because I just know you a little bit. Yeah, I have to find out more.
Because we just met today. Right?
But
어?
man body
Man baby crazy가 뭐죠?
Crazy.
찰스님 뭐가
if
crazy했다는
you were
거죠?
class, you want him to marry. If you were classic, do you want him to marry là sao? What does it mean?
I don't know. 유튜브 보여줬어. 유튜브 이미 보여줬어. You guys already saw my YouTube, right?
Okay. Yeah.
You guys already watched my YouTube.
Yes.
Your video will upload to my YouTube maybe 3 days after.
3 days.
Yeah,
Three
yeah.
days after.
You can check. I will send you message. I will send you link.
Yes. Give me the link.
Yeah.
You have Facebook.
I
I
have.
give you Facebook.
Oh yeah.
Okay. And I say on my Facebook, maybe I don't know. Facebook.
She's very famous.
Yeah, maybe. Maybe. 남자가 애기 키우는 거 그거 미쳤다고?
Người ta tặng rồi đó.
미친 짓이라 뭐 그런 뜻입니까?
Người ta tặng gì đó.
애기 키우는 거 미치도록
아니요.
힘들다 뭐 그런 뜻이에요.
Please, your niece,
Niece.
my niece.
Why are they don't go home? Usually, what time to work? What time go to work usually?
9
9?
9 a.m.
9 a.m.? Good. 9 a.m. to 5 p.m.
6.
5 or 6, like that. Around
yeah.
6 p.m.
Yes, or 6 p.m.
그런 게 좋지. 할로윈 베트남 방거리 보여줄게요. 이따가 아주 핫한 거리 가서 보여드리겠습니다. 이따가 VBN 갈 거예요. VBN.
Different
What?
between the
우와. 오. 아.
he has great stuff.
Do you think so?
No. I have to
Big
cut
stomach.
down my fat.
Yeah. Do gym. Do more gym.
Huh?
Do gym.
Gym. Yeah. I like go to gym.
Yeah.
But these days I was too busy, so I didn't work out. So I get fat. I have to work out.
Yeah, you should upstairs, downstairs.
Huh?
Upstairs, downstairs.
Upstairs, downstairs.
Yeah.
Hiking.
Yeah, hiking.
Hiking.
Hiking, that's good. That's really good.
She needs so many people. Where is the number of people?
Huh?
The people
What
number is
people
watching.
Is watching.
This too. Now we have around 1,000 people.
Yeah.
Yeah. 여러분들 추천을 눌러야 돼. 추천을 안 누르니까 사람이 적어 보인다. 추천을 조금만 누르세요.
And what time in Korea?
Now? 1 a.m.
1 a.m.
Yeah.
Still people watching.
Yeah. They watch my show until 5 a.m.
Oh my
Wow,
god.
so they go to bed so
Late.
late.
Yeah.
Why?
Because lifestyle different. Some people they like live in the morning,
Oh,
but some people they like live at night.
wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, for example, I like live at night. I always get up at 12, around 12. I get up. Yeah. I don't like live at daytime. I like live in the night.
Yes, sleep in it.
Silent.
Silent. I like silent.
Yeah.
Silent. Loneliness.
Oh no.
Huh?
No lonely. Because you have them. No lonely.
So
Oh,
many
yeah.
people is watching.
Yeah,
You
of
don't
course.
sleep.
Some people just before they fall asleep, they watch.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
They are watching and they fall asleep.
Yeah, they're watching and they fall asleep. Or they're watching,
I
they're
am
chatting.
sleeping.
Oh, I cannot sleep because you.
You're very hot.
Who you wanna see?
Oh yeah, and also some people they watching from the Europe or in US.
Yeah.
They are just daytime now. It's not
Daytime
nighttime.
now.
Yeah.
And they follow you.
Yeah. 맞아. 에스타도 맞는 말이야.
When you begin this
3 years ago.
3 years.
Yeah. I did this job for 3 years.
Wow.
Before, what do you do?
Before I was a teacher.
Teacher.
Yeah, I would teach Chinese.
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 Yeah.
Yeah.
I was Chinese teacher. But in Korea, if teacher want to make more money, the teacher should be famous. So I started this show. I want to become famous. But at that time, I was teach Chinese at the show.
Yeah.
So nobody liked to watch it because it's boring. So after 1 year, I changed my show style. I don't teach anymore. I become a traveler. Travel around the world and do live streaming and make new friends, like a reality show,
Yeah.
And then many people likes it.
Like
Yeah. So I keep doing it until now. Yeah.
LA, Los Angeles.
제가 강사할 때부터 보신 분들도 있었어요.
미용미. Tokyo, Japan. Wow.
Tokyo, Japan.
중국어로 대화 좀 하라고요? 맞아, 이 친구 중국어 할 줄 알지? 你今天中文课上的怎么样？
미용미.
明天。
就
明天。
明天。
不是今天。
不是今天啊。
今天做作业。
对。
作业。
Cannot understand.
作业做的怎么样？
Cannot understand what they are saying.
做完了。
做完了。
一点。
还差一点。
明天他帮我。
明天他帮你，他也会说中文。
不会，他帮我。
I don't know.
上班。
他帮你上班工作。
不是啦，我们上班一起。
然后他帮你
I don't know
做作业。
对。
아니 숙제를 다 못했대요. 그래서 내일 출근해가지고 어차피 얘가 같은 직원이니까 같은 동료니까 얘가 일을 좀 더 많이 하고 얘는 공부를 한대.
Yes, xin chào. Hello from Vietnam.
I lived in China for 10 years.
10 years.
Over 10 years.
Yeah.
I studied a lot.
Why you give up anything and start a traveler?
Yeah.
Huh?
And then you give up anything and start
No. I didn't give up. I just become. I was a teacher, and I also was a worker in the company, but that was not that fit with me,
Yes.
Yeah. So when I started my show, it was really my style. I really loved my job.
Yeah.
So I started and travel and do live
You
show
live
all
in
the
Ho Chi
time.
Minh?
Yeah.
One person
Oh
live
yeah,
in Ho
some
Chi
people.
Minh. Oh.
Some Korean they live in Ho Chi Minh.
Yeah.
For work.
District 2. District 2. A lot of.
District 2.
Yeah.
이 구역에 한국 사람들이
I
많다는데.
live in District 4. District 7. District 7 now.
District 7 also have
Oh,
many
yeah.
Korean. Yeah.
District 7 near District 4.
She lives in District 4.
Oh,
District 4. You live in District 4.
yeah. Đẹp quá.
Đẹp quá?
Đẹp quá. You're so
Đẹp
beautiful.
đẹp
Đẹp
quá?
quá.
Đẹp quá.
야, 이거 괜찮다.
Đẹp quá.
đẹp quá? đẹp quá?
Super Bowl.
Một. No.
Tân Sơn Nhất Airport.
Yeah,
Airport.
near airport. Near airport. đẹp quá?
I work.
빅팬님이 또 내게 팬으로까지 감사합니다. 프랑스어 같다고요? 프랑스어가 많이 있어요.
Yeah.
You guys, it's time to go home now?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. 이 친구는 이제 보내고 우리는 또 2부 가야지. 이 친구는 이제 슬슬 집에 가야 돼 이제. 그다음에 우리는 이제
It's time to say goodbye.
yeah.
Say
Where are you going? Go home?
District 4.
District 4? Can you send me to the
Okay.
VPN? VPN?
Yeah.
It's okay? VPN? It's okay?
Okay.
Okay. Wait a minute. Let me go to the toilet.
Okay.
You can communication?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Time for us. Say anymore.
Đi khẩu toilet. Hi, hello.
Don't go.
Don't go, please. I have to sleep. Love. Oh,
Run away. Good night.
yes. Watch out him. Em ở Hồ Chí Minh. Break up with your boyfriend.
No.
Oh.
Sing a song.
Câu thử camera ngồi mặt ngủ.
Ngồi sit down.
Để coi sao nó sao đi. Cái mặt hơi xấu à.
Okay. I hold no girlfriend. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요. Say anymore. Hola.
Anyone in Vietnam? Anyone in Ho Chi Minh City?
Good to see you. Nice to see you. Annie. What is it?
Big,
Yeah.
you need a big picture? No. Tomorrow I
Yeah,
will work
tomorrow.
in the post office, in the
Yeah.
central post office, Vietnam. No, in the central post office,
Post Office.
Ho Chi Minh
Ho Chi
City.
Minh City.
If you come there, you will see
You will see
her and I.
Yeah. Tomorrow. Only English. What's your name? Annie. I'm Annie. And she is
Ba.
Bob.
Okay, you can visit me in the central post office, Saigon. Tomorrow.
It's fun, right? It's fun, right?
They are very friendly.
He come here.
재밌죠? 이런 친구들도 참 만난다는 게 참 좋은 거라. They say they had a really good time with you. Me too. I had a really good time with you.
I have to say thank you with you.
Thank you.
No, thank you.
Thank you for you.
I thank you really. I thank you so much.
This is a good test.
I had a really good time.
Yeah.
Really, really good time.
Ba not or. Ba without or.
Ba. Ba. Ba.
Ba without R.
B-A.
B-A. Only B and A. So
Vui.
fun.
So fun.
Without R.
B-I.
Only B-A.
B-I. Yeah,
Yes.
right.
B-A.
Choose ba.
Oh, cheers, ba.
See you. See you.
Tomorrow in the Central Post Office.
Yeah. Good night.
In the
Everyone.
Central Post Office in the morning from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m.
Yeah. See you tomorrow.
Baba. Baba.
Baba.
Baba is the turtle.
Turtle.
Turtle in Vietnamese. In Vietnam.
자, 우린 또 오늘 길을 가야지.
Hope to see you again.
Of course.
Very fun.
Yeah. 자, 오케이.